tried really hard to be a great mom, and that's all I cared about, and it's all I do care about. Now it's making you.
Because it's supposed to be firm. It's been sitting there so long.
You wet. No, go on now.
I didn't lift the back of your neck right there.
No.
If I did it anyway.
Sausage, chicken, Alfredo. Thank you for coming back to me. Yeah. I saw B do it. Papa needs lunch. Let's get it done. Except for we're using veggie garden delight ranzoni. The pan is already hot. Chicken, garlic, and onions right here. Diced tomato, Alfredo, diced tomato, Alfredo. We're rhyming. B did a good job. Blouse was still fancy. She gonna come with her clothes to cook. I love it. And broccoli. And then I went over to DAZE. Danielle with DAZE. Danielle watched her cook it. Turns into a big pot. Alfredo. We're gonna combine the noodles with it. I think we can do this together, you guys. So let's go over to the sink and get started. My husband's watching Star Trek. And thank you for coming. Hey, if this is your first time here, thumbs it up, subscribe. Welcome to CarterEats, where we do cook with me, eat with me, challenge videos, and family vlogs. We have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of unique dishes. So put your seatbelt on. We hope you sit by, go through a playlist, and enjoy them. Try something different. That's what it's about. Mixing it up, trying something different. We have 2 kids late in life at 40 and 44. AJ is 8, Blake is 5. And we got to make sure we introduce new meals to them. So let's give this a try. It's still rhyming. So let's go over to the stove. Stove, we've already got the noodles. The veggie noodles are cooking. Our olive oil pan is already hot. We're ready to drop in the garlic, the onions, and the seasoning, and the chicken, and we're going to stir it up and put some sausage in it. The seasonings we are using are Slap Your Mama, Lowry's pepper, garlic salt, parsley, a little Italian, you can't go wrong. Danielle used adobo. May need that as a backup. This is reinforcements in case my... Okay, we're using beef kielbasa instead of turkey. Beef kielbasa sausage. The sausage. We're in trouble.
No, that's a
For Blake.
Here's one right here. Here's a small one. Her 2 cups. 2 third cup boiled water or more from the steak. This is about one right here. This is a big one.
I'm gonna do some more.
Maybe some more sausage?
I didn't use enough sausage. Why not season it up real good? You'll see Hubs in a minute. You'll see him. He's making, what kind of soup is it, Alvin?
Miso.
Miso? Tofu miso soup. That's what the chicken shut in. Oh, as Tiana, I can only be me says, smell-o-vision.
For my
Go ahead.
soup cup. I know y'all don't know which one it is. It's a white cup, flat. Nobody's supposed to be touching but me.
Smells amazing. So that kind of seasons your pot with the theme. That starts the party. That's the party. There's the party starter. We'll get you the front row seat. Y'all want a front row seat. Okay. Your cooked onions. There's your garlic. And here's your chicken. I'm going to go in with the garlic first. I'm sorry, garlic and onions first. So I got tricolor, vegetable. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Get that drained for you guys. As Des and Blove said, this is a simple dump dish, so we shouldn't have to be in the kitchen all day. We don't want to be. So now that those are all marinated together, I'm gonna just come in with the can you smell it? Oh my. And Papa's gonna need lunch in just a minute. So there's the chicken. Leftover KFC, leftover barbecue chicken, and leftover piece of Bojangles. We had KFC and Bojangles one night because half the team likes KFC, half the team likes Bojangles. In Dez's video, she used chicken meatballs. Now is when I'm going to go ahead and season it up. Okay? It don't need a lot, though. I'm not going to need a lot. This is a half a teaspoon of everything. I'm going to season my meat. A little bit of Italian, since we're dealing with Alfredo. Now go to the dollar store. I found these great wooden spoons at the dollar store. Okay. That's simple, that's simple. I'm going to sample it. Ridiculous. Okay. I asked my chat that they want heavy, should I get Prego or Ragu? Couldn't read the chat at Walmart. That's why my pot's smaller, because I knew I was making, oh Lord Jesus, a lesser amount based on who would be eating in the house. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. When you get to know me, I'm always dancing. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Danielle. Yes, B. Okay. Now, I just saw it says diced tomatoes with green chilies. I'm not happy about the chilies, but Not even happy about the tomato, but we gonna come in with it. I don't like tomatoes a lot, so that's all I'm doing. Oh, the kids are coming, the kids. I think she's gonna come with the broccoli next, y'all. Let me turn it up. All the seasonings are done. I'm gonna clean up real quick, and then we're gonna drop the broccoli in and be done. Can you see? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can you see? Ooh. It is an amazing texture. I'm gonna add as much broccoli as I can because we are rounding the bin. And before we round the bin, we want to add in my favorite, some good succulent shrimps right at the end because they take the least amount to cook. So let's do that. I got my bowl. We are ready to plate it up. So let's push that down in there. I like this consistency. We're gonna let it cook down for about 10 minutes. Fall in love with each other. They all gonna sing and dance together, and flavors are gonna come together. And when I come back, it'll be plated up for you all, okay? Gave it a taste like no other. You hear me? How to say, baby? How we say it here at CarterEats. Woo! Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Ooh. 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 Before I plate this up, or while I plate this up, let me just take this opportunity to say we're on the road to 10K CarterEats or new subscribers. Thank you, and please go ahead, housekeeping, subscribe, help us reach 10K and beyond. And I appreciate your support. And then again, go through the playlist and see what we've done in the past. But we are on the road to 10K, and I couldn't be more humble and thankful. So I appreciate all the love and support, CarterEats. And let's go ahead and get into Papa's lunch. That's fantastic. That plated up is fantastic. Your shrimp, your broccoli, your sausage. If you get a little closer in there, you'll see your chicken on the back. Now, got your tricolor pasta. Let's taste it. I'm gonna get this to Papa shortly. He's still napping, so we got some time. Hold on. This is what I'm gonna tell you. I keep thinking I'm turning this camera on. This is my portion. We got our noodles back there. Okay, let's see what we get. Again, we use the veggie ronzani Garden Delight. It's nice to know there are some vegetables your family will eat. Garden Delight has, and it's carrot, tomato, and spinach pasta. Trying to keep folk alive. Don't want to die just yet. I hope I got a shrimp. Here's the chicken and tomato. Danielle. And the tomato is almost like lemon. The tomato adds a little bit of, and then the slap your mama and the sausage. There's your bite. I'm sorry. There's your bite. That's the sausage, the shrimp. Shake what your mama got, yes. Woo! Okay, y'all want to see if I'm playing? Watch. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Come on. Come on, Cletus. Come on. Alfredo, chicken Alfredo with sausage and Garden Delight pasta, a little tomato, and a little broccoli.
I'm supposed to eat it.
Fussing and cussing. That's what they do.
Pajamas on and stuff.
At least the Delta's there. Delta Sigma there. Watch what she say.
For me?
Let's see. We'll wait for it. The slap your mama is what lights it up.
What, mama? It's good. Oh. You got some kind of seasoning in there, spicy.
I said that's to slap your mama.
No, that's what that is.
That's what it's called.
Oh. The spice is called slap your mama.
Leftover chicken.
Very good.
I told you.
Makes you forget to do it.
Oh. She's going to be looking for it in a minute. I ate the whole bowl. Mm-hmm. That's it. Danielle, go subscribe at her house. Be love and the community, thanking her or at least responding to her email. What if you didn't? Try it. Bye. What did you say?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Mm-hmm.
Blake, is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there you have it. DAZE, Danielle. You like it?
I like the pasta.
That's chicken and sausage.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Mama.